everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on quick guide. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to disconnect Trust Wallet account from website. So if you are wondering how to disconnect Trust Wallet account from different websites and do not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Today in this video I'm going to absolutely guide you through the process of disconnecting Trust Wallet account from websites. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to disconnect your Trust Wallet application from different websites, first of all, go ahead and tap on Trust Wallet application itself. Now this is the home screen of Trust Wallet application, so go ahead and tap on settings in the bottom right corner. Now you will be appeared with the screen on your mobile phone, so go ahead and tap on third option that says browser, which is just below app language. Now here you can see the option of clear browser cache, so go ahead and tap on that third option. Now it asks if you really want to clear browsing data, so go ahead and tap on OK. So that is it, guys. Our Trust Wallet is disconnected from the website like this. So it was the easiest way to disconnect a Trust Wallet account from different websites. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.